NYC Tech Boy here, and today we are going to make a Chrome app. So let's get started. First up, open your text editor of your choice. Don't worry, I have a video on this text editor coming up soon. And create a file. Now find a manifest file online. I found one from Create Your First App tutorial by Chrome. So just copy it and paste it in. See, it's right there. So change these things, like your app name. I'm going to call it NYC Tech Boy Demo App. And I'm not going to have a description. You can add one you like. You don't really need one though. Unless you're publishing this in the Chrome Web Store, which I do not plan to do. You don't really need to add one. Remove this 16 thing here. Bam. And just do that one. Rename this to your 128 by 128 image. So in this case, we're going to call it nyctechboy.png. Okay, good. Now you're done. Save file as. Find your app folder. As you can see, I already have a manifest.json. I'm just to replace it. You have to call it manifest.json. Replace it. Save. Yep. Also, make sure to add image that you selected there. Make sure you add the image you select into the folder. Just so you know, don't do that. Do that. That's better. Don't add a quote after the file name. Don't do this. Do this. I was wrong. Now you can just save that if you made that mistake like me. Okay. Now, create another file called background.js. File. And go and find one called background.js. It's create the background script or whatever it's called. You can also find that on the Chrome Create Your First App tutorial. Copy that. Control V. Perfect. So we can call this file whatever HTML we want. For this purpose, I'm going to call it nyctechboy.html. And select the width and the height. I'm going to make this 1000 by 500 to give it that rectangle effect. Yeah. So, now save the file as, call it background, open that thing, open your folder, call it background.js. Save. Perfect. Now, create a new file. We're almost done. This is the last step. We're going to create a HTML page that will open up when you click that app. So, type in, what is it called again? This thing, HTML, and do another one, just with another way like that. Create a tag that says HTML. Then create another tag called head, and type in Now create another tag called H1. Type in whatever you want to call it. So this is NYC Tech Boy Demo Boy Demo app. Now create another tag, but put a slash, then H1. That's how you close the tag. So you do an opening tag, then a closing tag. Now do a closing tag for head. Now do a closing tag for HTML. We're done. Now save this file as whatever you called it in the background.js. So for my purposes, I called it nyctechboy.html. You have, just so you know, in the background.js, you have to give it that .html. And so when you're saving it, make it that .html. Perfect. Why? That's weird. Okay, it shouldn't be a big deal. Oh, I know why. Because there's body tags. You don't have to put the body tag. That's just for more advancing. So, let's go. You can go to extensions, Chrome:/extensions, but I have an app for it here. Load unpacked, enable developer mode, and then load unpacked if you're using the Chrome:/extensions. Now I can just open it. Da-da-da-da! Yay! So cool. We can click launch. This is the NYC Tech Boy Demo app. So, that was a very basic Chrome app that we just built. And I can go into my launcher and search NYC Tech Boy. It will show up right there. I can click it, and it will launch it too. So, that is the NYC Tech Boy Demo app showing, and that was how to make a Chrome app. Just so you know, this doesn't matter. This does not matter, by the way. So, see you in the next video.